Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'll be using products from Spellbinders and also Ranger. All of the Ranger products are by Simon Hurley. I'll be using some of his Lunar paste. I have 3 colors, Minty Fresh, Midnight Snack, and also Prom Queen. I'll start with the Prom Queen color since it's bright and pink. I'll also be using some products from Simon Hurley's brand new Joyful Christmas release. I have the Geo Snowflakes hot foil plate, and instead of doing the hot foiling, I decided to emboss with it, and I embossed some craft colored cardstock. Using a small plastic spatula, I'll add some of the Prom Queen Lunar paste to the background. I'm adding it mostly in the center. The Lunar paste would also be really fun to use with stencils, but I don't have any by Simon Hurley or Spellbinders, so I decided to add it to the embossed background. Then I used a scraper tool to wipe away the extra. Once that's all dry, it has a beautiful shimmery look. The Lunar paste is completely smooth, it's not sticky, and it doesn't smudge once it's all dry. Next, I'll put some adhesive on the back of this panel and add it to an A2 size card base, leaving 1/4 of an inch of the white card base showing. The Lunar paste has such a beautiful finish. I kept tilting my card so I could see that beautiful metallic shimmer. For the image and sentiment, I'm using some more products from the new Joyful Christmas release. I have the retro ornaments and also the Joyful Christmas sentiments, and these are both hot foil plates and they do have the coordinating dies. I'm using the black glimmer foil for the sentiment and the silver holographic color for the ornament. Now I've already done the hot foiling off screen and I used the coordinating dies to cut those out. I do have another video using Simon Hurley's Joyful Christmas release where I show how to do the hot foiling, and I will link that at the end of this video and also add a link in the description box if you want to check that out. I used white cardstock for the background of the ornament and I want to add a little more color. So I'm using some of Simon Hurley's dye inks and doing a little bit of ink smushing. This is the Prom Queen ink color, so I just pressed some of that ink onto my stencil mat, add a little bit of water, then I took the ornament die cut and pressed it directly into that watery ink. Once it's all dry, the ornaments have this lovely light pink color with the silver holographic foiling. I did put some foam dimension on the back side. I'll just remove the release paper. One of the ornament strings got pretty wet, so it wasn't completely dry. When I was trying to put that foam dimension, it did not want to stick. My tip for you is to make sure to let all of those pieces dry first. I get a little impatient since I want to keep working on my card. I never have that problem when I'm just using pattern paper, but I'm having so much fun trying all these different techniques. But eventually I did get that foam piece to adhere. Remove all the release paper and I'll adhere it in the upper left-hand corner. Next, I'll add the sentiment Merry Christmas, and I did pop that up using some foam dimension. Then to finish off the card, I'll add a few gem stickers from Spellbinders. This is the Spectrum AB color. Put 3 of them around the sentiment and 2 in the upper left-hand corner. So there is my finished card, and I did end up making a total of 3. For the other 2 cards, I used different colors of Lunar paste and ink, and I also used some of Spellbinder's pearls. The pink card is definitely my favorite. You can never go wrong with pink, even for Christmas, but I also love how the blue background and green background turned out. If you are interested in any of the products I used in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. I really like the look of the Lunar paste by Simon Hurley, and I'm excited to try it out with some stencils. So I think I need to go shopping to see what Spellbinders and Ranger have available. And as much as I love using pattern paper, I'm also really having fun doing the hot foiling. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.